In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to simply remove a background in less than 3 easy steps. But before we get into the video, can you please guys like and subscribe? Thank you, and let's dive right in. So we're going to open up our image in Photoshop, and we're going to come to the top and we're going to click on select. Then we're going to go down, and now we're going to click on subject. And once we notice our subject is highlighted, we're going to come down to our bottom right panel and we're going to click on mask. And once we mask the subject, we notice that we remove the background that simply. And now we can click Command T to resize our image. And now we can open up a new layer. And now we can change our background to whatever color that we would like. Thank you very much. And if this video helped you guys, please again, like and subscribe.